second turbo tutorial. I'll make this quick. We're gonna do a replacement for my two options as a replacement for Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, whatever. So hopping into the virtual machine I made, we're gonna use Airsonic-Advanced and Navidrome. One or the other, doesn't matter. You pick whichever you like. I like Airsonic because you can browse through the folder structure instead of using playlists. So Airsonic-Advanced, it needs JDK, very simple. You go into Java downloads, Java JDK, you Google that, Windows, MSI installer, install that, boom, done. Next, we need the Airsonic file, but we don't grab the official one because it's not maintained anymore. Instead, you go into Kegemonji's Airsonic-Advanced, and down here there should be a releases page. Just grab this bad boy. For the instruction, it has to go into C program files Airsonic with a capital A. I've already made the folder right here, and then you need to make a command file so you can run the program. So you do that by making a text file, just call it whatever, and then .bat. This makes it into a command file. And just add notepad, paste in the command, and then pause it here. So it pauses so you can read it if it fails. The port we're running on is 4040. I'm gonna run there. I'm gonna show you how to port forward inside the virtual machine or the Windows environment, doesn't matter, same thing. So you just search for firewall, and it's gonna come up the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. And you just go into inbound roles, make a new role. You're gonna make 2 roles, one in inbound and 2 roles for outbound. So you make a new role. I'll wait for this to pop up. Come on. Maybe I didn't click it. Port. You set TCP. The port we're doing is 4040. And you just go next, then you name it, and then you do the exact same thing with 2DP with UDP. Next, so you're gonna have two roles, and then you do the exact same thing on the outbound roles. But here you have to be careful because when you make a role, it automatically sets it to blocking mode. So you just have to change that. So you just do 4040 because we're doing 4040, and you instead of block, you do allow the connection, and that will open the port, but only to your local network. So you can access it, for example, from your phone if you're on the same Wi-Fi, or another laptop if you're on the same Wi-Fi or network, whatever. Let me just check. Is it done? Oh, let's see. Yes, I should mention that I check my network and internet settings here. I've set my IP manually 36, so it doesn't change when I restart it. So the port forwarding stays the same. Isn't done yet. So since the IP of this machine is 36, I should be able to just 2 by 168 by 1 by 36 by 44. I think it's up. Just log out. Oh, have to log in with admin because there's no credentials. It says it right here. You log in into settings, into credentials. Yep, and you do add credentials. You just add the password. It's gonna add it for the admin user. Okay. And then you delete the old admin password. Save, and it will be here in media folders, I just want to change that to capital, and that should be it. That's Airsonic setup. I'm accessing it from another computer, so you know it's port forward. Next, we're gonna do Navidrome. Navidrome is a lot simpler. Uses download the release, scroll down, show all assets, and just grab the AMD64 installer. I already have it, so just not on that. So it's gonna go into program files, Navidrome, port is 4533, C music is the music folder, and then the program data is program data, it doesn't matter. You can change the ports either on Airsonic or Navidrome to whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Just remember what it is. I mean, you don't need to remember. You can just check the firewall because you're gonna be adding rollers. And if you name it properly, you're gonna know. So very simple. You just run that, and the port is 4533. So let me just show you my roll. As you can see, it's set to TCP 4533, and it's all checked and allowed. And then if I access instead of 4040, I do 4533. Boom. So you have to create an admin user when you set up. Right. Set. You press the buttons to scan. Players, users. Yeah, it's all configured. So that's both Navidrome and Airsonic setup. Now I'm gonna show you where to get music. It's a thing called Soul. Actually, I'm gonna tell you where definitely not to go to get music. You definitely should not do this. This is not endorsed. But if you were to accidentally type SoulSeek UT into Google and accidentally press the download button and accidentally also press the download button again, and then you just accidentally install the software. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, what's going on? Oh no, something's installing. Oh, what am I gonna do? Anyways, this is a P2P network of people who share their files. So there's all kinds of files, but I find like this is fantastic for finding music. So you're gonna launch that bad boy, set a username, allow it through the firewall as well. Turbo request is to share something before you, yeah. Select folder, share the C should be a music folder here. Share this folder. Right. Now, you want some high quality music. Let's do Buckshot Roulette. Alright, these are WAV files. So as you can see, there's like high quality files. These are all FLAC, right? So you want something, you just if you accidentally press this accidental download folder accidental button and just accidentally download that, and then accidentally go into the transfers, you could accidentally find yourself accidentally possessing some accidentally acquired music files, very high quality accidentally acquired music files. So if I look into here, all right, it won't work because the download folder is not stored. So the download folder I can change it. I just don't understand how. Anyways, I'm dragging on too long. I'll just move it manually. It's in documents. I have it set up properly on the other machine, but complete here. Actually, just move this. Music. Then just pause playing right now. So 36 for 41st. Log it. Yes. Go settings and then folders, and do of course scan media folders now. Okay, and now we have right, very simple. Here it's even simpler. In Navidrome you just do this and it'll show up. Yeah, and now you can just never pay for a stupid music subscription ever again. You're welcome.